Winter returns. The cubs are now 15 months old. Now, to complete her cub's journey to independence, Rupestri has one thing left to do. Leave her family. And that day has now come. Koiron is the first to separate from her siblings. From her earliest days, she has shown an instinct for independence. Independence is often hardest on males. Neneo will be forced to leave everything he knows to battle rivals for a new territory and find females with whom to start his own dynasty. His mother's training will stand him in good stead. But the story doesn't end there. A few quiet months later, with her grown-up cubs high in the hills, Rupestri is back down at the lakeside. Against all the odds, quadruplets yet again. Exhausting. So far, they've had the very safest of nurseries. But there are now 2 bloodlines that lay claim to this site. There will be many more battles ahead. But if any mother has the strength and experience to ensure that her dynasty thrives, it is surely Rupestri.